Are you believing God for something that seems impossible? Let's take 1 minute to activate your faith. Romans 4:17 shows us that God speaks life into things that seem dead. He doesn't wait for circumstances to change. He declares his promises even before they happen. Despite Abraham's old age and Sarah's barrenness, Abraham trusted God's promises. Listen, we live in a world where we all want quick fixes so that we can move on to the next greatest thing. Unfortunately, sometimes that causes you to fixate on the problem rather than the solution, which is God. When you measure the outcomes of your circumstances based on human standards, you're always going to come up short every single time. Don't we all know that? We serve the God of all creation, and when he speaks a word, it becomes certain. Know that whatever you're facing today, God can bring new life to impossible situations when you learn to put your faith and trust in him. Thanks for joining me for 1 minute on purpose.